Hi there, you're in the lab with me, JJ. Today is mail call. Mail call today, just a very quick one. We've got three things to get through. Two of them are big. It won't take long today. Today's going to be a very quick video. While I remember, my silly job title for today is Spark Specialist. Today I'm the Spark Specialist. And I'm not sure where this stuff's come from. Some of it's come from China. I forget where I got this, but I'll put the details in the show notes. So what we're going to do now, pop over to the bench and take the stuff out of the box.
Here on the bench, this is a professional instrument from ANENG. I've bought ANENG stuff before, and I'm a happy ANENG customer. I'm not sure what we've purchased here. Yes, now I remember. Great. So I just wanted to get a feel for what noise is like in this lab of mine, because obviously I make these videos. And I've got background noise. There's computers and washing machines and all sorts of things, traffic. So I just wanted to have a sound meter so I could start just sussing out what the sound situation really is. Wanted to get some data, you see, some actual measurements. Now this is a cheapo sound level meter. I used to have a really good, expensive, professional one back at my old place, but I lost that over the years. So now I've just got this one. That looks like that peels off. Yeah, it does. All right, might as well peel it off. Same with this one. Yeah, that peels off too. Can't get any purchase on it though. It doesn't need to come off. Yeah. All right. So I'll put the details of this bit of equipment in the show notes. Shall we have a look at what kind of battery it takes? Why not? Let's do that together. There we go. They shipped it with a little screwdriver. That was a nice touch, wasn't it? Of course, I've got a million of these little screwdrivers by now. There we go. Okay, so 1.5 volt AAA. How about we grab some? I'll do that quickly. All right, there we go. Two AAAs. These are Duracell Ultra. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Ultra. I don't know what ultra means, if they store longer or they run longer or what. Who knows? Who knows? I would have read about it at some point. I don't remember though. I'm just going to put this little screw back in the thing. Might as well turn this guy on now and see if he works with the batteries in there. There we go. All right, power. There we go. Ooh. Test 1, 2. Okay. So the background sound, about 45 decibels. Cool. All right. Well, this is a welcome addition to the lab. Something to measure sound with. Great. Now the other two things that I've got for you today are big honking box things. So I'll flip you over here and show you what we've got. We've got this one here, which is going to be a lamp. I've got this lamp. Did you see? That came out recently. I've got another lamp. I'm going to be putting that together. And then these, I'm pretty sure they're my mesh boxes. But I'm not 100% sure what's in this package. I hope it's my mesh boxes. I assume it is. Because I haven't ordered anything else to my memory that will come in that form factor. So it's those two things that we're going to be doing together. So why don't we just time lapse the whole thing, and I'll report back in a second when it's all done. All right. Well, I've got my lamp set up in the corner there. I'm going to have to read the manual later on. I flip it back over the bench here. I I don't know what these are for. Some little thing that's got a, I don't know. I don't understand what this is for. So I'll check that out later, see if I can figure it out. I don't know what this is all for. It looks like you can attach. Maybe you can put a camera or something on there. That's what that looks like. Could hold your phone or something. Anyway, now the other big box. So I'll throw you back over and we'll do the next one. All right, I'm just going to take this rubbish out and I'll be back and I'll show you what I've just pulled out of the box. All right, I'm back and I'm happy to report that the lamp's working well. It's a 20-watt lamp, which is really quite bright. The LED lights are powerful. I think this one is 9 watts, so that's 20 watts. It's twice as bright. So it feels very lovely in here, very bright in here at the moment. There's light everywhere, which is great. And these are the wire mesh boxes that I just spent ages pulling out of the container. So they've arrived. It'll be good to have these. I'll oh, this one's been damaged a little bit. No, that's disappointing. Yeah, it got crushed in the in transit. Anyway, I got a bunch of them. So yeah, that's everything. I'll throw over the farewell cam and we'll wrap up.
That's a wrap. So yes, as I was saying, the mesh containers have arrived. I've got 6 of these. That's really good. I'm ready to use them. I've got a few things to put away, so they'll be good to have. Very happy to have my ANENG sound level meter. So that was good haul. And the new lamp, 20 watts, very bright, sits there in the corner. Unfortunately, doesn't have a remote control. This one has a remote control, which is kind of handy. That one doesn't. But it does have a wired-in control for adjusting the color temperature, the light temperature, and the intensity. It's got a plus and minus buttons for that. So I think I valued everything pretty much equally today. I was very happy to have the sound meter. I'm very happy to have my mesh boxes, and I'm very happy to have my new lamp. So I'm going to wrap it up. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.